Welcome to English Conversation Hub. Today we're learning English through pictures. Look at this scene. A busy street suddenly turns into chaos. A man has fallen unconscious. There's been a small accident. People are shouting, traffic is stuck, and many are gathered around trying to help. Let's explore what's happening in this picture and learn new words and sentences as we go. This picture shows a busy and chaotic scene on a city road. A man has fallen unconscious in the middle of the street. He's lying on the ground, and several people are gathered around him. Some of them look worried, and one person seems to be checking if he is okay. Another person is calling for help on a phone. There was a small accident. Two vehicles have collided. One car is slightly damaged in the front, and a scooter is lying on its side nearby. The drivers look surprised and confused. A few people are pointing toward the accident. There's traffic all around. Cars and bikes are stopped, and some drivers look frustrated or trying to see what happened. A traffic light is in the background, showing red, but nobody seems to be moving. Pedestrians on the sidewalks are also watching the scene. Some look shocked or concerned. There's a lot of noise and confusion in the air, and everyone is focused on the man who fainted and the crash. Overall, the picture shows a sudden emergency in a crowded street, with people trying to help, traffic stopped, and lots of attention on the situation. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.